told your friend you're not okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're talking about Rising, young actress Lyliana Wray. Liliana was born on December 30th, 2004 in the United States. Her zodiac sign is Capricorn, and she is currently 20 years old. She began her acting career at a very young age, and quickly gained attention in the industry. Her first major role came in 2016, when she played the character Angel in the film Maximum Ride. This role helped her gain recognition as a talented child actress. After that, she appeared as a guest star in popular television series, where she continued to build her experience and reputation as a performer. She later reached a wider audience when she appeared in the action film Gun Maverick, playing the daughter of Jennifer Connelly's character. Outside of acting, Liliana is known for her kind personality and love for animals. She has a dog named August Rex Wray, whom she is training to become a service dog. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.